Federal Executive Council has approved an upward review of the shore protection project at Marina, Lagos, increasing the contract sum from 144 billion naira to 176 billion naira. The revision was made to include critical infrastructure that was initially excluded, particularly facilities belonging to the Nigerian Navy. The Minister of Works, David Umahi, reviewed this while updating the public on the latest Federal Executive Council approval in a video posted on Wednesday on the official Twitter account of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Special Advisor on Social Media, Dada Olusegun. Umahi emphasized the significance of the project in safeguarding key federal and state assets along the shoreline, including military installation, police facilities, and the Lagos rail line. The project has been procured and is ongoing, but is very critical because it is protecting a lot of federal government critical infrastructure and institutions that are along the shore of this outer marina, like the Navy, Army, and the police. There are a lot of other infrastructures of the federal government and the state government, like the rail line in Lagos. It was initially procured for 144 billion naira, but some institutions like the Navy were excluded. We have now brought them in, and Federal Executive Council has approved the review of 176 billion naira, according to David Umahi. The Work Minister added that the project is being handled by Buildwell and work is still in progress to ensure full protection of all relevant infrastructure. Some of the insights. The Chamnoma Road and Bridge in Adamawa State was also received by Federal Executive Council approval for a contract review following a major collapse in October, that was last year, 2024. According to Umahi, heavy flooding exaggerated and exacerbated the climate change, washed away a bypass that was in place while construction on the bridge was ongoing. He recalled that President Tinubu had sent him to assess the damage, after which an urgent commitment was made to restore the critical roadway. With only 4 kilometers left to completion, the contractor CGGC sought a contract review, which has now been granted. The Chamnoma Road and Bridge was broken into two in October due to flooding while construction was ongoing. The president sent me to assess the situation, and we agreed that by this time the bridge should be standing. Now it is almost done with only 4 kilometers left, and the Federal Executive Council has approved the contract review. These words are from David Umahi. He also assured that efforts were underway to ensure the project timely completion, emphasizing its importance for connectivity and economic activity in the region. My name is Emmanuel Bernard. I bring you reliable information and videos concerning Lagos and also Nigeria in general. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up so it could reach more people, and also drop your opinion on the comment section so we could discuss and also find a better direction for the country.